The retail presentation of HAYLOU Flowbuds N55 is clean and functional, reflecting a product that prioritizes usability over excess. Inside the box, the earbuds sit within their charging case, accompanied by multiple pairs of silicone ear tips to ensure proper acoustic sealing, a USB-C charging cable, and documentation. The inclusion of several ear tip sizes is particularly important here, as ANC performance and low-frequency response are highly dependent on achieving a proper fit. The design language is modern and refined, centered around a pebble-shaped charging case with a dual-tone finish that blends matte and gloss surfaces. The earbuds themselves adopt a stem-based architecture, which not only aids microphone placement for ANC, but also contributes to stable positioning in the ear. Material quality is solid for the category, with tight tolerances and no noticeable flex. The IPX5 rating adds practical durability, making the N55 suitable for workouts and outdoor use in light rain. The case is compact enough for pocket carry while maintaining a battery capacity large enough to support extended usage cycles.